We also investigated pizza.
Okay.
So both from biotechnological point of view and also together with the company.
Yeah.
And so the experiment is you create a small pizza, and then with yeast, so everything you also use at home.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you put it on your sample holder, this heating device. Then you can take a look while heating what happens on this pizza. So how gases come out, yeah, how it's burnt, yeah, up to 250 degrees. And this you can visualize by electron microscopy. But you can nicely compare these results with the actual pizza that you see at home. So if you look in your oven, you can see how this changes, and the results are comparable to this.